Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing the higher paper series, higher paper 3, question 16. We have to complete the square. Now it doesn't say we have to complete the square, it just gives us y equal to 4x squared minus 8x plus 25. It asks us firstly to put it in the form a x plus b squared plus c, and there we know that's completing the square. So do have a look at the other videos on completing the square. Then it asks us for the minimum point, which once we've completed the square, we should be able to get that. And then it asks, does it cross the x-axis? So it'll be 4 marks for the first part, and then a mark each. So once we've done the hard work there, those two should follow. So let's firstly remember that to complete the square, we have to have the coefficient of the x squared as 1. So I'm going to factorize out the 4 there. Now I can just ignore the 25 for the moment. I'm not going to factorize out 4 from that. I'm now going to complete the square on that bit in the bracket. So take half of that and square it. I know that'll be x squared minus 2x if I multiply and expand those backwards, and then I'll have that plus 1 which I have to get rid of. And then I have that 25. Now let's get rid of at least one of those pairs of brackets. 4 times minus 1 will be minus 4, plus 25 will be plus 21. So there I have completed the square where a is 4, b is minus 1, and c is 21. Then it asks us for the minimum point. So we know we want that to be 0, so x will be 1. And when x is 1, we will get that to be 0, so y would be 21. And then it asks, does it cross the x-axis? So let's think about that graph. When x is 1, y is 21, somewhere up there, it's a positive function graph. So it's going to be a smile there. So the answer is no, it doesn't cross the x-axis. So there we have completed the square. Do have a look at the other videos on completing the square if you want to look at that in a bit more detail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and continue watching this higher paper series.